Hello guys, welcome again dito sa hashtag tips to learn. Ngayon ay magdidiscuss naman tayo yung the trickiest question in a call center. Yun ang tanong na, why should we hire you? Hello guys, welcome again dito sa hashtag tips to learn. Ngayon ay magdidiscuss naman tayo yung the trickiest question in a call center. Yun ang tanong na, why should we hire you? This question is the trickiest questions para sa iba or para sa karamihan. It sounds nonsense kasi na bakit pa nila tinatanong to. Alam naman nila yung questions. Alam naman nila kung bakit andun ka. Alam naman nila kung bakit pumunta ka para sa interview. It's because you wanted to be hired. Bakit ka pa tatanungin nila na gusto mong ma-hire? So kung nonsense tayo na pagkatao, sasabihin din natin doon, you should hire me, it's because you're hiring. Parang hindi, pang napaka-nonsense doon siya na questions. Pero pag, if you will think deeper, there is really need for you to answer the questions because if you really want to pass the interview, you should really give your very best sa question na to. They're asking not because they just want to ask about you or they just want to ask questions, a lot more questions. They're asking these questions kasi gusto nilang malaman kung ano yung meron ka at kung sino ka. Hinahanap lang dito ang mga qualities mo, ano ba ang kaya mong gawin at mga capacities mo na dapat kang i-hire ng isang company. Malamang marami kang qualities pero dapat ang isasagot mong mga qualities ay di yung marunong kang mag-basketball or mag-volleyball or marunong kang iba't ibang mga qualities na hindi related. Siyempre, know also na you're applying for a certain job, for a certain company that are offering unique products and services. So that means kasi yung topic natin is about call center, so i-relate din natin sa call center kung ano yung topic natin. Then, here are some possible answers sa tricky question na why should we hire you? May mga possible questions, possible answers. First, possible answer is over the years, I have acquired relevant skills and experience which I shall bring to your organization. I have also worked tirelessly on my communications abilities and teamwork skills which I will put to use in my future career, which would be in your organization. If I am selected for the position, I have given my 100% effort in my past companies, and this has been enabled me to recognize my capabilities and limitations. If I channelize them further, they will bring fruitful results to me and also to your esteemed organization. Then for the number two possible answer, this is a wonderful opportunity for me to get interviewed at such a renowned company. Your organization will surely prove to be an excellent platform for me to establish my skills and knowledge in the corporate world. Even though I am a fresher, I assure you that I will give my best and work to my full potential so that I can contribute as much as I can towards the growth and welfare of this great brand. Then for the possible answer number three, honestly, I possess all the skills and experience that you're looking for. I'm pretty confident that I am best candidate for this job role. It is not my background in the past projects, but also my people skills which will be applicable in the position. On the other hand, I am a self-motivated person and I try to exceed my superiors' expectations with high quality work. Being a fast learner, I quickly pick up business knowledge related to my project. Lastly, I would like to add that I work well both as an individual contributor and also as a team member. Collectively, all these skills put together makes me a complete package for this job. Possible answer number four, I feel that I should be hired by you given my excellent academic background along with the skills and experience the company is looking for. I have the experience and the attitude to excel. If given a chance, I will surely work towards building my expertise, which would prove beneficial for me as well as your organization. Possible answer number five. My manager recently told me that he's never seen anyone with more advanced Microsoft Office skills than me, but I would like to admit that I have admired all my skills and job from my past experiences, which when implemented at your organization can bring much value and growth to this esteemed organization. I think the job role being offered will serve my purpose along with the development of the organization. Possible answer number six, freshers answers to the questions. If you're a fresher, this will be very applicable for you. My academic records stand me apart from other job seekers, having graduated from Hindu College, which is one of the premier colleges in the country has exposed me to interactions and teamwork with students with high intellect and belonging to various cultures and backgrounds. Also, studying in this college gave me immense opportunities to delve in various extracurricular activities like Rotary Club, participation in chess competitions, and other activities such as dramatics, poetry, and a few sports events too. Also, living in hostel premises made me a much stronger and an organized person with a wide network of friends and acquaintances. I believe that apart from a good academic background, these qualities go a long way in shaping personalities and creating efficient workforce. Possible answer number seven. Sample answer. This is a sample answer for a software tester or test engineer or quality analyst. Working as a software tester with a reputed organizations like TCS and HCL Technologies has given me first-hand experience of working in the field of testing. In my past career, I bagged several critical manual and automated software testing projects, which gave me a holistic view on the work front. I even got the opportunity to lead several projects for which I even got certificates. All in all, I have about 5 years of experience in the domain, which is an adequate time span for anyone to look forward to gaining an experience in people management in a reputed company. And for this, I look up to your organization to give me a chance in my preferred domain. Possible answer number eight. How possibly an academician come trainer could answer this question. My 4 years of involvement with the education industry has led to my intense understanding of the area. Being the branch manager of a play school, I got an opportunity to gain experience of the nitty-gritty of the business and emerge as a leader. I also got a platform to directly interact with the parents, children, and the teachers, following which I created a roadmap of the education trend we cumulatively envisage to impart to our students, which I feel would be a huge benefit to your organization. I also look after the financial management of the school, which is an added benefit to my candidature. Playing the role of a mentor has made me capable of handling a situation with a patience and perseverance, which also is an added virtue to my profile. My past experience and skills make me an ideal candidate for this position in your organization. Possible answer number nine, an answer fit for a professional with around 5 years of experience from different fields. I am a person with experience in varied types of writing. I have on my sleeves the expertise of writing for a news magazine, creating content for the web, and editing of documents for the study abroad industry. I have been able to gain versatility in the sphere of writing, and this definitely is a boon for my profile and a company like yours which values creativity. I have read your company's blogs, and they clearly resonate with my style of writing, which is very well apparent by the written test I have taken. Given my flair for creative writing and my intensive expertise in the content industry, I feel that I am an apt candidate for this role. For possible answer number 10, an HR person's take on the question. Being an HR personnel for the past 3 years has gained me expertise in delivering training, organization, organizing learning modules, presenting concepts, and instructional activities. It has also enabled me to maintain a close contact with the professionals in other departments, as well, which has led me to develop a bird's eye view of an organization, taking my knowledge to the next level. From my personal understanding of your company, the HR department plays a major role in the system of things, and my 3 year experience as an HR professional will certainly allow me to leverage my skills and experiences at your esteemed organization. Then possible answer number 11, how a person with a sales profile would possibly answer the question, why should we hire you? As a sales supervisor of a 5 member team, I have managed to create a network of distributors and retailers, a network I will bring to your organization if I hired. Also, I bring along a vast experience in the sales industry, which would be benefit the department as a whole. Thus, my qualification and background as a reliable resource to my past company make me a suitable candidate for the position of a sales manager at your reputed firm. And lastly, the possible answer number 12. This is how a counselor can answer. Why should I hire you? My job as a study abroad counselor has allowed me to work with various students belonging to various backgrounds aspiring to seek admission in varied countries. This has allowed me to gain extensive knowledge about different countries and their academic experience and exposure they provide to the students. This I feel is the main requirement of the job description, and thus I also feel that I am perfectly fit to this role. So those are the sample questions that I can offer to you. Pwede nyo rin balikan yung site na yun to review the question or for to review those sample questions. Hindi yun sa akin, na-research ko lang yun. At saka given naman din yun yung yung source. Then dito, ipakita mo lang na may skills ka. Kung i-ask ka ng question na yun, pakita mo lang na may skills ka na hinahanap nila. Alam mo ang function ng company at nakikita mo sa sarili mo na meron ka nung mga skills that they need. Then ipakita na pwede kang maging asset ng company, that you are aiming for the benefits of yourself and the company. Highlight mo na that you are aiming for the result sakaling ma-hire ka, dapat highlight mo lagi yung result. Then then pakita mo rin na alam yung mission and vision ng company. Kaya relate mo yung goals mo sa goals nila at paano mo sila matutulungan sa goals. At in turn, paano kanila matutulungan as an agent or as a worker or as a staff. In one word, you need to impress them on how well versed ka sa goals nila at sa goals mo. At saka paano mo, yeah, katulad sa sinabi ko kanina, paano mo sila matutulungan. Then, maging honest ka sa lahat ng sagot mo and be confident sa lahat ng sasabihin mo. Yes, ipakita mo sa kanila na meron ka talaga ng mga skills, mga required skills na kailangan nila. Then, bakit kanila i-hire but don't overboard or don't go overboard. Yun lang ang ma-advise ko. And I think that would be all for today and I hope na nagustuhan nyo ang video ko ngayon. Para maging updated kayo sa lahat ng video ko, click the subscribe button below and don't forget to click also the notification bell. I think I think that would be all for today, and I think that's all. Yeah, that's all, and that would be it. And have a good one, everyone.